Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to disable recommended app on start menu in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's restart. So guys, click on it. Now you can see that recommended apps issues. So go to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization, click on start. Now turn off is show recent added app, turn off show most used app, turn off show recent open app in start, jump list and file explorer. Go back, close. Now you can see data. Most recently used app is disabled. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.